Marian, may reaction na nominated ka the Best Actress sa PMPC Star Wars for Movies.
Wow, thank you. Hindi ko alam yun.
Thank you po. Good luck.
Salamat.
Commercial, close-up commercial, that's how we started. And then they liked our service, and then word of mouth na, and then they featured us in Preview Magazine, si Agu Bengzon, and then si Blue Carrion, if you remember him, I don't know, from what's his magazine?
Tatler,
yeah. And then I guess that's it, no?
Word of mouth.
Yeah.
And the rest was history.
The rest was history. That's how we started.
Yeah.
It was
from a humble beginning.
It was just a small clinic with one chair. Like, oh my God, talagang. Thank you,
It was,
Lord.
exceeded expectations,
Yeah.
really. And then, the rest was history. Word of mouth, and then we got to transfer to BGC. And then from there, we had another branch in Green Hills. And then so forth and so on. So hopefully we can share with you our future plans later. Or share with you. Thank you.
Wow, thank you so much, Doc Nelda and Doc Mia. Well, actually, the next question is supposed to be for Doc Mia or Doc Lito. How did Marian Rivera come to be selected as part of the CAD family? What do you think are her best qualities that perfectly embody CAD as an institution?
Well, actually, talagang fan na fan lang kami ni Miss Marian. Yun lang talaga yung
We love her. We've been waiting for her.
Sabi nga namin, Marian completes CAD. That's it. Tapos na kami. Thank you, Lord.
Game over.
Thank you, Marian.
Awesome. Ngayon, I have a few questions for the newest member of the CAD family, Miss Marian Rivera. Miss Marian, what sets apart the Center for Advanced Dentistry, apart in terms of dental care, and what made you say yes to CAD and joining the CAD family?
Parang hindi ka makakano sa kanila. Kasi pag nakita mo yung service nila, parang sorry gusto kita i-correct kanina. Siguro hindi lang for the stars or artista yung kailangan nila i-service. Parang sa lahat ng mga tao gustong magkaroon ng magandang ngiti araw-araw. Diba? Nandito yung CAD para sa inyo. At the same time, siguro parang necessity na to sa isang tao na kailangan pangalagaan natin ang ating mga ngipin. Siyempre, kailangan nag-visit tayo talaga sa dentist. Para sa person, hindi para sa ibang tao, para sa sarili natin. Kasi yun yung magbibigay kumpiyansa sa'yo. Araw-araw kapag nakikipag-usap ka sa mga tao, or nasa trabaho ka man, or nasa mga mahal mo sa buhay, diba? Gusto mo ibigay yung the best of the best para sa kaharap mo. At yun yung mga mahal mo sa buhay.
I love that. Thank you so much. So, as a mother, how important do you think dental care is for your children?
Super. Kasi ngayon pa lang, kailangan nag-visit talaga sila at masasabi ko yung mga anak ko hindi takot sa dentista. Talagang pumupunta sila to visit at nandun ako. Mahalaga sa akin na bata pa lang, may awareness na sila kung paano pangalagaan yung mga ngipin nila. Yeah, oral hygiene kumbaga.
I love that. Thank you. Okay, what excites you the most about your new role as the newest member of Center for Advanced Dentistry family?
Magiging selfish muna ako. Para sa sarili ko muna. Super excited talaga ako na i-try lahat. Kasi medyo may pag-obsession ako sa whitening, sa ipin. Gustong-gusto ko yan. At the same time, syempre gusto ko din yung cleaning. So very excited ako at lalo yung mga anak ko. So 3 kami sabay-sabay, bibisita sa cleaning. And then, anong last question mo? About...
Last question is, that's it, that's the question.
Ay, na pala yun. Tinignan ko lang kung alam mo yung sinasabi. Just kidding. So, ayun. So, alam mo yun, mahalaga talaga ito. So, super happy talaga ako na ito yung masasandalan ko literal, lalo na sa pagngiti ko araw-araw sa telebisyon, sa pagharap ko sa mga press. So, magkakaroon ako lalo ng kumpiyansa sa sarili ko na humarap sa kanila.
Awesome. Oh, thank you so much, Miss Marian. So, for the directors of CAD, what are the future plans for the clinic?
I'm very happy to share with you kasi magbubukas kami ng branch sa Green Hills Mall. That's in San Juan sa Green Hills. So we're very excited, and of course, dito na si Miss Marian. Siya yung papakatong. In-announce na. So yun, that's number 1. Second is, of course, we are supporting the parochial school in Cagayan de Oro. We have as of now 30 students of CAD scholars. And we are hoping to put up a foundation to support these children who are very less fortunate, because we are advocate of education and to support the children na, alam niyo yun, matalino naman pero hindi makapag-aral. It's time to pay it forward because we have received a lot of blessings from you. Kasi we're not expecting this so much. So yun po. Tapos we have Marian pa, nako. Sobrang na kami blessed. Third is, yeah, for medical tourism. So we plan to expand further because right now we have 90% of our clientele, our customers, our patients are really arriving from abroad. So our reach is global. And we're also happy to be invited to be in the best of medical tourism. Our editor is right there, Miss Christine. Thank you very much for the feature. There she is. So we're expecting that to be in the medical, best medical doctors in the Philippines. And again, thank you very much for attending this event. We are also blessed to have you. God bless you all.
Awesome. Thank you for that. That was an amazing message. And actually, before we end the Q&A session, we would like to ask for a very special message from Miss Marian about being part of the CAD family. Congratulations once again to both CAD.
Mom, a primetime queen, a box office hit pa. How do you still prioritize self-care, including dental care? And siguro ano na lang yung advice mo rin sa ibang mga busy moms din dyan? I'm sure it's a full-time job kasi. No?
Siguro mahalaga talaga yun na binibigyan mo importansya din kung paano mo alagaan yung sarili mo. Kasi palagi kong sinasabi yan sa mga interviews ko as a mom, ang dami mong ginagawa sa asawa mo, sa mga anak mo, pero hindi magiging kompleto yun kung hindi nakikita at nagre-reflect sa'yo bilang nanay kung paano mo alagaan yung sarili mo. Kasi kapag naalagaan mo yung sarili mo, magre-reflect yun sa mga inaalagaan mo So make sure talaga na you make time for yourself at may me time kang tinatawag para at least hindi ka ma-burn out sa mga ginagawa mo sa buhay mo. At mahalaga din siguro na nakakapalibot ka sa mga taong nandyan para sa'yo to remind you na, uy, pahinga ka muna, uy, mag-me time ka. So mahalaga talaga na kung sining kasama mo sa buhay mo.
Thank you.
Thank you for that.
Thank you.
Muna sa dentista. Pero may ibang mga bata, takot pa rin sila. So, how can you encourage mga parents to regularly bring their children to visit the dentist and themselves, pati sila, yung mga parents mismo, kailangan mag-regular visit sila?
Siguro mahalaga na kausapin mo muna yung anak mo. Ipaalam mo sa kanya kung bakit nagpupunta sa dentist. Anong mapapala mo kapag nagpupunta sa dentist? Kasi minsan yan yung pagkukulang natin Dinadala natin yung bata para pumunta sa dentist para i-cleaning, to check the teeth, pero hindi napapaliwanag sa bata kung bakit kailangan at importante siya. So for me, mahalaga na ipaliwanag natin sa anak natin kung bakit kailangan pumunta sa dentist. Kasi yung mga anak ko aware, bakit kailangan pumunta sa dentist. Kaya hindi mahirap para sa akin na dalhin sila sa dentist.
Kayo po ba regular nag-dentist?
Dapat. Necessity na yan, sabi ko nga, para mas lalong kumpiyansa sa sarili at higit lalo para sa sarili mo. Kasi hindi pwedeng gagawin mo for other people, gagawin mo yan para sa sarili mo.
Thank you and
Self-love.
congratulations again.
Thank you for that. Okay, next question.
Hi, good afternoon, Maria. My name is Kim from the Daily Tribune. So this is actually a good question. So what made you smile your most beautiful smile?
Naku, parang sa dami ng blessings at umaga pa lang sa pagkita ko sa dalawang anak ko at asawa ko sa tabi ko, parang walang dahilan para hindi ako ngumiti. Diba? Parang minsan yun ang palaging sinasabi eh. Tayong mga tao, hanapin natin yung positibo sa buhay natin at doon tayo magtuon ng pansin kasi walang dahilan para hindi tayo mag-smile at maging blessed at maging blessing para sa ibang tao.
Very nice, thank you. And I do have a follow-up question for the doctors, maybe. So, what are the benefits of, families can get if they choose CAD?
First of all, CAD is a premier clinic, so you get first class. We always say, you get what you pay for when you go to CAD.
Thank you. All right, thank you.
Thank you so much. Okay, we will cap it up there for all the questions. So first, a big shout out to our media friends for those awesome questions, and a huge round of applause for the Center of Advanced Dentistry and Ms. Mary Rivera for teaming up. What a win! So now, let us shift our focus to another highlight of the evening. Gusto niyo ba yung mga prizes? Game na ba?
Time to join us today to welcome the beautiful and ever smiling Maria Rivera as part of our CAD family. It really means a lot to us to see so many of you expressing your support for CAD and making this event so much more special. To Marian, again, welcome to the CAD family. We are thrilled to have you in the family and we look forward to our upcoming ventures with you in promoting dental health and wellness in our family. To our dedicated team of CAD and our partners in making today's event possible, thanks you for your hard work and commitment. To our guests from the media, we truly appreciate your presence and support. We hope that you enjoyed today's event and everything that we prepared for you. Lastly, I want to extend my gratitude to all our patients, clients who trust us with their dental care. It is because of your continued support that we are inspired to strive for excellence every day. Let us all continue to work together to promote healthy smiles and a brighter future. Thank you again and enjoy the rest of the day. God bless.
Thank you so much, Doc Nelda, for that amazing message. Alright, so what an incredible afternoon it has been welcoming Miss Marian as the newest member of the CAD family. And to our amazing media friends and influencers, please don't forget to use the hashtags #MarianForCAD and #YouCADSmileLikeMarian. Again, that's #MarianForCAD and #MarianYouCADSmileLikeMarian. Alright, so thank you a lot to share this